Hi there, I'm Krista with WTI. If you want to spoil your loved ones, bake them a fresh loaf of sourdough with this CRUSTLOVE artisan bread baking kit. In my opinion, the key to an amazing sourdough loaf is the crispy golden crust. And this set definitely delivers on its name. The 5-quart enamel Dutch oven helps to evenly distribute the heat and lock in the moisture to my loaves while they bake. And the silicone sling assures that the bottom of my loaves are crisp but never burnt. From start to finish, this set has all of the pro tools: the dough whisk, the plastic and metal scrapers, a 10-inch Banneton basket with a custom-sized linen that can be used as liner or cover, and my absolute favorite tool, the scoring lane, so that I can beautify my loaves with decorative cuts. It even came with a cleaning brush so that I can get all of the sticky dough off my prep tools and bowl and have it ready for the next loaf. Don't worry, it's not too difficult to learn. With this CRUSTLOVE artisan bread baking kit, you're going to be fully equipped to deliver a delicious loaf of sourdough in no time. And that's my point of view.